Updating a legal name on iCloud is an important step to ensure that your account reflects your current identity. Follow these simple steps to make the change quickly. Step 1. Sign into your Apple ID. Go to the Apple ID website and sign in with your current credentials. Make sure you have access to the email or phone number associated with your account for verification. Step 2. Access account settings. Once signed in, navigate to the Accounts section. Here, you will find options related to your personal information, including your name. Step 3. Edit your name. Look for the option to edit your name. Click on it and enter your new legal name in the appropriate fields. Ensure that the spelling and format are correct. Step 4. Verify your identity. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes. Once your identity is verified, make sure to save the changes. You should receive a confirmation that your name has been updated successfully. After completing these steps, your legal name should be updated on iCloud. Remember to check other Apple services to ensure consistency across your accounts.